Today, we will learn how to create a Fiverr account and gig. Go to Fiverr website. Click on Join. Enter your email ID. Click on Continue. Enter your username. Choose a password. Click on Join. Go to your profile. Verify your email. Activate your account. Click on Become a Seller. Click on Become a Seller. Click on Continue. Click on Continue. Click on Continue. Enter your first name and last name. Write your description including your work experience, the project you have completed, and your expertise. Select your language and language level. Add your profile picture. Click on Continue. Select your occupation. I choose graphic design. Select up to 5 skills that match your expertise. Add your skills related to your expertise. Add your education. Add your certification, if you have any. Add your website link, if you have any. Click on Continue. Connect your Google, Facebook, and Twitter account. Click on Continue. You have to complete at least 65% of your profile in order to create a gig. Let's edit your profile and add some more details in order to complete the minimum criteria. When you complete your 65% profile, click on Continue and create your first gig. Add your gig title. Select your service category. Select your service types. Add keyword/search tags. Check the box and click on Continue. Add your price packages. You can add up to 3 packages. Name your package. Describe your service which includes in your package. Select delivery times. Select revisions. Select your deliverable details as per your niche. Add your package price and click on Continue. Here you can briefly describe your service details. Click on Continue. Here you can add requirements or any question that you want to know from the client to start work. You can select the free text, multiple questions, and attachments. Add your requirement and click on Continue. Add your portfolio that describes your service. Add up to 3 images. You can add video and documents too. Click on Continue. Select No and save it. You have to verify your account before publishing your gig. Verify your mobile number. Add security questions. Click on Publish Gig. Here we have done with the Fiverr account and gig. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. I will introduce many more exciting videos in the future, so stay tuned.